Hi everybody, I'm Amanda. I'm an account manager with Interact One. We're an e-commerce agency that's been around for over 26 years and we answer lots of common questions asked by e-commerce merchants on our channel. So if you have more questions, feel free to check it out. But I like to keep these quick, under 3 minutes, just rapid fire answering your questions. So today we're gonna walk through if you can use a custom domain on Shopify, and if so, how to go ahead and set that up. First thing I wanna say is that for Shopify, if you already have an existing domain through another service like GoDaddy, for example, you can go ahead and connect that to your new store. You can do that by going to Settings, Domains, and then following the information there about changing your DNS settings. You might have to log into your GoDaddy, which sometimes can require two-factor authentication, but there are pretty clear settings in the Shopify area under Settings and Domains, so feel free to go there if you do have any questions. Next option is that if you don't already have an existing domain for your Shopify store, you can actually purchase it directly through Shopify, which I recommend because it just depends, but they tend to have certain discounts associated if you already have a Shopify plan. So definitely check into that. To purchase a domain on Shopify, you're gonna go to the same area. So it'll just be under Settings, Domains, and then there's an option to buy a new domain, and Shopify will walk you through the instructions there. But just so you know, these are options. You're not gonna lose your old domain. You just have to migrate it over and set it up. Like I mentioned, we have a ton of other videos on our channel, so if you have any questions, feel free to reach out through our contact form on our website, or you can reach out in the comments below and watch our other videos in order to get any insight into your e-commerce needs.